In this video, we are going to show you how to create advanced research frameworks in Poppy AI. Now, this is going to be the bare bones basics of the whole thing. You need to have three groups, right, ready. So tone group is going to be your brand voice. This is going to be your resource. So everything about your business, PDFs, the website URL, if you have SOPs, everything goes here. You drag and drop here, or you upload it, you put it here, so that you can train your Poppy chat to know that this is going to be your brand voice using these files, right? These resources. Reference vault is going to be, well, as you can see on the word reference, your reference if you're going on a campaign or creating new content for your business. So maybe you want to create something similar to a competitor. So everything goes here. So videos, files, same thing, right? And then framework resource is going to be how you want everything formatted. So what type of format. So the files goes here, right? And then once you have everything connected to your Poppy chat, you're going to need to go through this 5-step system. When it comes to prompting, what does that mean? The first step is going to be your role. So act as an expert. So this is pretty much a prompting, right? Second step is context. So I'm focusing on whatever it is, target topic or target product or whatever you're doing. And then format, right? Output a structured framework, including an executive summary, etc., etc. And then the tone, keep the tone, right? Whether it's data driven, engaging. This is going to be based on your tone group, your brand voice, right? And then lastly, it's going to be constraints. So you're limiting what the AI is going to do for you, right? So ensure the research is based strictly on the provided URLs or provided whatever it is that is on your reference vault and your framework resource, right? So once it's done, you can just, customize everything as you go forward. But that is pretty much the framework on how to create advanced research using Poppy AI as a tool for advanced research, right? So if you are interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.